When looking for tinder, you usually want to find multiple different types of tinder and blend them together. Perfect tinder right here. And more than enough tinder to start a fire. I don't want the sticks to be too long. You want them about the size where your thumb sits. And you want to stick them in the ground. Make sure you know which way your wind's coming from. Now you got your outer layer. You want them all about the same length as your starter sticks. And once you get past the skinnier twigs that you use, about toothpick size, you want to start building up. Now that I got my first layer, I can build out a little bit with thicker sticks. I just finished building the teepee structure, so now what I'm going to do is build the inside so I keep the tinder dry. And you can do it in various multiple ways. You could take sticks and just line the bottom of it, or you can use bark, tree bark, or anything just dry and flammable. That should be good enough to keep my tinder dry. Now the last step, you want your tinder get a little loose so that there's airflow in there, it'll light easier. You just place it right on your little spot you made for your tinder to keep it dry. Also, I noticed I left a little gap in here where there's going to be air. You want your entire teepee filled and stuffed with tinder as much as you can so the coal catch easier. So you want it to be packed in there pretty tight. There's the basic outline of a teepee fire. What I have here is my tinder bundle. You don't want it to be too tight or too loose, and that's where you're going to set your coal once you get it started. What I have here is char cloth, which is very good for a fire starter. Take your flint and steel and use a glancing blow to knock a spark onto the char cloth. And there's your fire.